Hello guys, this is Bill again. Today we will load the third shipment, total 4 containers. So we can see now the first container has already finished. Now out of that our factory there hold 3 containers. So you can see. Okay, now the first container has already started loading. Now we can see they make the package more strong. Now they use the more strong steel belt to make this package more strong. Okay, the second container has started. Okay, now there has left 3 containers. This is number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, we can see our worker is very interested in this machine, so he wants to have a view for this. So, 你打个招呼。OK， 好 ，OK。